Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2011 BMW 528i maintenance light reset. We're going to be using this button right here and just that one. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Okay, wait until this screen is on. Go ahead and press and hold this button until you see that. Okay, now we're gonna go find anything that you want to reset. Just go find it, just like that. And we're doing this. I guess the owner of the car just reset it, but I'm gonna show you how to reset it. And when you get here, just press and hold, and it asks you can reset and let it go, and then press and hold again, and it's in progress. And that should do it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.